Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how we can set up WordPress on our local host, and we are going to do that without using XAMPP. So in the previous video we have done that using XAMPP, but this time we are not using that because XAMPP involves several steps, like we need to copy our website from one place to another. Also we need to create manual databases. So it is a bit of hectic process. So we are going to replace that with a very easy approach. So we are going to do that with LocalWP. So let's see how we can do that. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, and if you find this video useful, you can give it a like. So now we are on LocalWP's homepage. From here we can download local. So you can click download for free, and it will ask you to select your platform. Like if you are on Mac, then you can select Mac. If you are using Windows, you can select Windows, or if you are on Linux, then you can select Linux. So I am using Windows, I will select it. Here you need to write your first name, last name, and if you are an agency, you are a freelancer, etc. So you need to fill up all these things, and if you will click get it now, it will be downloaded in your system. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do again. So here we can see local has been downloaded, and you can install it by double clicking it. So it is the setup. You can choose for which user you want to download it, and after that you can click next, and you can give a destination folder, and you can install it. So it is very easy installation. You can open it after the installation is complete. So I have already installed it. I'm going to open local. So I have opened local, and you must be not seeing this type of screen on your local WP because I have already added two sites here. That's why it is showing me like that. But you can add a new site from here, and you can select these options. Like if you want to create a new site, you can choose this one. If you want to select an existing zip file, which is a backup of your WordPress website, you can choose this one. So now we are going to start with create a new site, and we can click continue. So from here you can put your website's name, like I'm just showing local WP demo. Okay, and let's continue. So here you can choose your environment, like it is preferred, which is having PHP version and web server Nginx, MySQL version this. So you can go with preferred, or if you are an advanced user, you can customize your PHP version, web server, and database. Okay, so I'm going with preferred. So continue, and after that, you can give a WordPress username. As always, I'm going to give admin @123. Let's check. Yep, it is WordPress email. You can put your own email or you can leave it like that only. Here are some advanced options. Like if you want this WordPress to be a multi-site. Multi-site means you can create subdomains also. Like if you will click on it, you will see subdirectory and subdomain option. So if you will click these options, then your website will be a multi-site, and inside that website you can also create subdomains or subdirectories. Okay, but we are not going to do that. We are going with a simple installation like any other WordPress website. So we are going to add site, and now it is creating a WordPress website for us. Now our WordPress website has been created. So if you want to go to the WP admin, you can go from here, and you can also open the site from here. Here it is written stop site, means our site is in the started state. Okay, if you want to stop it, you can stop it from here. Like here you can see it is now stopped, and if you want, you can run it again. After running only, you will be able to work on it. Okay, and here you can see this is the option one click admin. You can switch it on, and once you will click WP admin, you don't need to put your password. You will directly be thrown on the home page of your website. Now, if I visit my site in the new tab,
you can see. So we have created our website with WP Local, and it is very much easier than XAMPP. In XAMPP, we need to do a lot of setup, like to create database and to move the files from WordPress to the XAMPP htdocs folder. So we don't have to do these steps. WP Local will do everything for you in the backend. So before ending the tutorial, I would also like to tell you that you can also share this website with your family or friends by clicking this live link button. For enabling it, you need to log in. So let's log into the local account. You can click it from here also, and you can go from here and you can log into the local. So it will get you on the home page again for local, and you can log in from there. Okay, so you can open local to continue. As my local is already opened, I will go there, and you can see now the live link option has been enabled, right? So which was previously not working, now it is working. So you can enable it and it will create tunnel. So you can see here, now it is giving you some arrow, and here it is the username and password. So our username is account and password is gorgeous. So now you can put these username and password on this link. You can open that link anywhere in any browser, in your phone or anywhere. And after that, it will ask you for a username and password. You can put these details and it will show your website there.
So hello again. We have completed our WordPress setup on our local host, and it was very easy because we have used LocalWP. You can create your website locally, and you can also share with your friends and family using the live link feature. So in the next videos, we are going to learn how we can create WordPress websites, and we are going to learn everything from beginner to advanced level. So thank you for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.